Hey pack leaders, this is here, friends and protecting families by protecting pack. I want to give you guys a update on the leverage Bybit bot. It's doing well. We made, I don't know, we were up 250 and then it's, we've taken some profit. Now it's, up and it's pumping up again. So let me show you some strategies on how to fully maximize the leverage bot. So it caught the pump, right? And it set the stop at 7934. We got in at 8298. So what's gonna happen is that there's our profit line here, okay? Now eventually this thing's gonna catch up. I'm gonna put a little update so that since it's in profit, it's gonna stop right there, okay? So that there's no downside risk to us. But what you want to do is, while it's in profit, I'm gonna be building this in automatically later on, but to continually add rungs on the upside. So right now it's at 8480, so I'm gonna go ahead and 8490 and just create new traps along the way. We actually want to keep taking profit with rungs rather than taking profit by stop loss. So if we're able to do that, we want to milk this basically, because there's going to be upsides and downside swings. It's going to kind of hover around the profit line kind of thing, okay? So when that happens, we're going to keep taking profit, and see, you see as it's creating, it's already taking profit, and we're just taking profit away, and it's making more. So as it clears this up, comes back down, create it again, goes back down to create it again. So I'll probably have something where I create this every 15 minutes, every half hour, maybe 1 hour, and just kind of let this ride up and keeps pumping. Boom, it clears it off, drops back down, recreate the rungs, pump it up, milk it again, and as it pumps up milk, it's gonna raise its profit line up, okay? And I'm gonna probably go ahead, this is like my manual override, I'm gonna go ahead and create the stop. So usually it'll detect that my stop is gone, and it'll put the stop in profit as soon as that's done. So this is something I'll build into it. It kind of stop loss a little slow right now, so but no worries. It's a little manual tweak I can do. Okay. So yeah, so I'm really excited on how it's performing right now. Right now we're at 18,000 contracts. I think we started around 2, and then now it's just working its way up. Okay. So let's see what's going on here. Let's see if it actually creates the stop profit that I intended for it to create. So let's give it a few minutes to think here. Let's see, we are at 40 of 60 seconds. It has a little time limit wait. Good, it just cleared off, right? My runs are here, so we're gonna pump more. Let's clear that out, and let's pick those up, and then I'll create another set as it goes up. So we're just kind of, it's gonna hover around here unless it pumps really hard, faster than I can take. Then this will pump up really high, but I'm constantly taking profit down, as the rungs are being created, and as we're creating it, it's compounding this number, so we're actually getting using more and more contracts as it's going up. Okay. All right. So now we're creating a stop profit now. It's in progress on my side, so it's gonna clean up the stuff, put that stop profit right there, to clean up the other stuff out of the way, and then reset the trap in the other direction when it comes down the other direction. So that's what it's doing right now. So it's there. Close trigger, close limit, stop, close limit, stop, market, close limit. Okay. So I'll it's kind of tight, but let me kind of zoom in a little bit. But hopefully you can kind of see what's going on. So now if it reverses and tanks on us, we can catch it on the downside and come down. But in the meantime, see, this is it's kind of cleared up a lot of rungs already. I'm gonna go ahead and set up another set of rungs since it's pumping again. 85. So you can see I'm gonna manually work this because I haven't built it in yet. 8560. Let's go ahead and create another set of rungs here and keep pumping that up. So we're gonna keep milking that. As that milks, it's gonna adjust the profit line. Then my stop profit would have to kind of trail and follow that accordingly. So we're gonna take more profit. We're up to 9,000 contracts right now. It's gonna keep compounding those contracts as it grows more and more, and we'll stop profit it accordingly as it comes down. Okay. Well, anyways, I hope you guys get the point here that I'm trying to make. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this with you guys. When you get access to this leverage trade bot, it's in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you then.